We're back again. It's been a couple of minutes. I was able to wash a few dishes. I like to cook and clean as I go. This is nice and softened in the olive oil that I used to brown the chicken. It's I put in onions, garlic, and that's it. I softened them. Now to this, I'm going to add vodka, real vodka, to make the sauce. I'm going to add in about a good cup to a cup and a third of vodka. I'm going to let this cook and reduce so that all the alcohol can dissipate. Oh, it smells amazing. We're going just to raise the heat to like 4.5 and let this cook through. We're going to let this cook through for about 5 minutes. And I'll come back to show you the next step. Oh, you know what? Yes, we're going to leave this for 5 minutes, and I'll come back to show you the next steps. So I added about a cup and a third of vodka to this. So we're going to wait and see, and I'll come back.